In this video, we will be learning about the trigonometric functions of angle of a triangle. Trigonometric functions of angles of a triangle. We know in triangle ABC, measures of three angles, that is measure angle BAC, measure angle ABC and measure angle ACB can be represented this way by using the middle letters. That is ABAC. Measure of angle BAC is represented by A, measure angle ABC is represented by B and measure angle ACB is represented by C. Then we know adding all these three angles we get pi, that is 180 degree. Now using this we find the results, that is first A plus B plus C is equal to pi, then A plus B can be written as pi minus C. Apply sine on both sides, that is sine of A plus B is equal to sine of pi minus C, and we know sine pi minus C is equal to sine C. That is 180 minus theta form. So sine 180 minus theta is sine theta. So sine C we get. That is we get a result sine A plus B is equal to sine C. That is sine A plus B is sine C. Similarly we get the result sine B plus C is equal to sine A and sine C plus A is equal to sine B. Second result, that is using A plus B plus C is equal to pi, we write A plus B is equal to pi minus C and apply cos on both sides, that is cos A plus B is equal to cos pi minus C, and we know cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta because pi minus C is in the second quadrant. So pi minus theta form it is. Second quadrant cos is negative, so minus cos C. Now that is A plus cos A plus B can be written as minus cos C. Similarly, we can consider the other sums, that is cos B plus C is equal to minus cos A and cos C plus A is equal to minus cos B. Third result, A plus B plus C is equal to pi, then A plus B is equal to pi minus C, and then we divide both sides by 2, that is A plus B by 2 is equal to pi minus C by 2, that is pi by 2 minus C by 2. That is sine A plus B by 2 is equal to sine pi by 2 minus C by 2 is equal to cos C by 2, that is of the form sine pi by 2 minus theta or sine 90 minus theta, that is cos theta form, that is cos C by 2. So we can write sine A plus B by 2 is equal to cos C by 2. Similarly we form sine B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2 and sine C plus A by 2 is equal to cos B by 2. Next result, A plus B plus C is equal to pi, then A plus B is equal to pi minus C, and divide A plus B by 2 and pi minus C by 2. That is pi by 2 minus C by 2. Now we apply cos on both sides, that is cos A plus B by 2 is equal to cos pi by 2 minus C by 2. And we know cos pi minus theta is sin theta, that is we get sin C upon 2. So we can write cos A plus B by 2 is equal to sin C by 2, cos B plus C by 2 is equal to sin A by 2 and cos C plus A by 2 is equal to sin B by 2. Now we start solving the sums of exercise 3.5. Question number 1. In triangle A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C is equal to pi. Then show that cos 2A plus cos 2B plus cos 2C is equal to minus 1 minus 4 into cos A cos B cos C. Consider the LHS. Cos 2A plus cos 2B plus cos 2C. First two terms is of the form cos C plus cos D. So apply the formula of product, that is 2 into cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2, where C is 2A and D is 2B. And the last term as it is. Now 2 is common in these two bracket terms, so it is cancelled. So 2 into cos A plus B into cos A minus B plus cos 2 theta can be written as 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now apply the formula cos A plus B is equal to minus cos C that we have already learned. This because of this condition we are getting this formula. Now apply this formula in this equation we have already got, that is 2 into cos A plus B is minus cos C. So this equation will become minus 2 into cos C into cos A minus B plus 2 cos square C minus 1. That is minus 1 minus 2. Minus 1 is taken first, that is minus 1. Minus 2 into cos C is common in these two terms, so cos C is taken out and 2 is also common, that is also taken out. So minus 1 minus 2 into cos C common, and remaining cos A minus B minus cos C. Minus is also taken out, so minus cos C remains inside the bracket. Minus 1 minus 2 cos C into cos A minus B plus cos A plus B. Minus cos C is nothing but cos A plus B. So minus 1 minus 2 into cos C into, this is of the form cos C plus cos D, that is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2, that is C plus D by 2. When you do, then B will get cancelled and A plus A by 2, that is A. And when you do C minus D by 2, then A will get cancelled and B plus B by 2, that is B is remaining. That is minus 1 minus 4 into cos A, cos B, cos C. That is the RHS. Question number 5. In triangle ABC, A plus B plus C is equal to pi. Show that sine square A by 2 plus sine square B by 2 minus sine square C by 2 is equal to 1 minus 2 cos A by 2 into cos B by 2 into sine C by 2. Consider the LHS sine square A by 2 plus sine square B by 2 minus sine square C by 2. Or each term is of the form sine square theta. So we apply the formula cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Then sine square minus 2 sine square theta to the LHS, then we will get 2 sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta, and sine square theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. So we apply that formula here. Sine square A by 2 can be written as 1 minus cos A by 2. Here in place of cos 2A we have only A because it is theta by 2 from half of this angle. If it is 2A, then we get sine square A. If it is A, again we make the half of A, that is A by 2. Similarly, we write the second and third term. Second term, sine square B by 2 can be written as 1 minus cos B upon 2 minus sine square C by 2. And 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 cos A plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 cos B minus sine square C by 2. And 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1 here. And minus 2 is common in these two terms. So minus 1 by 2 is common. So minus 1 by 2 is taken out and cos A plus cos B inside the bracket, minus sine square C by 2 as it is. Now this is of the form cos C plus cos D form. So 1 minus 1 by 2 into 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 minus sine square C by 2. That is 1 minus 1 by 2 into 2 will get cancelled. So cos A plus B by 2 is nothing but cos pi by 2 minus C by 2 into cos A minus B by 2 minus sine square C by 2. And cos pi by 2 minus C by 2 is sine C by 2 because it is of the form pi by 2 minus theta. and cos a minus b by 2 minus sin square c by 2. That is 1 minus sin c by 2 is common in these two terms taken out. That is minus sin c by 2 into remaining cos a minus b by 2 plus sin c by 2, because minus sin c by 2 is taken common. Now 1 minus sin c by 2 into cos a minus b by 2 plus sin c by 2 can be written as sin pi by 2 minus a plus b by 2, because it is given that a plus b plus c is equal to pi. So from this we can rewrite this way. So 1 minus sin c by 2 into cos a minus b by 2 plus sin pi by 2 minus theta form. So cos a theta, that is cos a plus b by 2. Now this is of the form cos c plus cos d, that is 1 minus sin c by 2 into cos c plus cos d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. That is 1 minus sin c by 2 into 2 cos a by 2 only will remain here, because b by 2 minus b by 2 will get cancelled. So a plus a by 2. A plus a by 2 plus a by 2 is a divided by 2, that is a by 2. Similarly, second term will contain only cos b by 2. That is 1 minus 2 into sin cos a by 2 into cos b by 2 into sin c by 2. That is the RHS. Question number 8. In triangle ABC, a plus b plus c is equal to pi. Then show that tan 2a plus tan 2b plus tan 2c is equal to tan 2a into tan 2b into tan 2c. So consider the condition. In triangle ABC, a plus b plus c is equal to pi. We multiply on both sides by 2, then 2a plus 2b plus 2c is equal to 2 pi, and take 2c to the RHS. That is 2a plus 2b is equal to 2 pi minus 2c. And we apply tan on both sides. That is tan 2a plus tan 2b is equal to tan 2 pi minus 2c. What is tan 2 pi minus theta? Minus tan theta. So here we get minus tan 2c. And what about the LHS? It is of the form tan a plus b. Tan a plus b is nothing but tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Here in place of a we have 2a and in place of b we have 2b. Now we take this denominator to the RHS, then it will become tan 2a plus tan 2b is equal to minus tan 2c into 1 minus tan 2a into tan 2b. Now we open the bracket in the RHS, that is minus tan 2c into 1 minus tan 2c, minus of minus plus tan 2a into tan 2b into tan 2c. That is tan 2c minus tan 2c is taken to the LHS, then it will be tan 2a plus tan 2b plus tan 2c is equal to tan 2a into tan 2b into tan 2c. That is LHS equal to RHS. Now we will learn the next lesson in the next video. Thank you.